So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and in this video we'll talk about the common FAQs regarding the Capstone project which many of you are having in your mind. So before we start, make sure you hype the video and subscribe the channel. Now let's come to the main page of the Capstone project, and if you want to know how to build the Capstone project with a demo, you can watch this video. And here complete guide is also here, like how you have to submit it, how you have to team up. All things are already covered, make sure to watch it. And if you want to watch the complete course, navigate to the playlist and just understand each and everything. Now let's come to our main topic, that is the FAQ. So let's come to the main FAQ, whatever the official FAQ is there. So can I make submission multiple times? This is the common query. Like many people are thinking that we can increase the participation winning chance by participating multiple times in different ID. So no, you can make submission only one time. So here if you are using the ADK, can you comment the ADK full form? So here, can you use another language like Java or Go, or do you need to stick in Python? So yes, you can use Python also, Java also, or Go also. There is no compulsion over here. Now here, another thing is that do I need to deploy my agent to cloud to qualify as submission? So deploying the agent is completely optional. As you have faced, like we had to pay around 1000 rupees, and we have to share the card details also to activate the Google Cloud services. So but here it's completely optional, but if you do, you'll be getting 5 bonus points. So if you want to know how you can just activate, I have already made a video. If I show over here, the video is already made by me. Yes, set up Google Cloud for agent deployment. You can watch this video. I'll link the video also in the description. So you can just deploy it and get a chance to get 5 bonus points without any issue. Now, where you can submit, like you have to submit using GitHub, Google Colab, Kaggle notebooks, or you have to submit in GitHub also. So you are free to submit. You can submit either in a GitHub repo, Kaggle notebook, or Colab notebook. You have no restriction. There is no restriction. Now, how you can join a team? For joining a team, you have to just come to the team section. Make sure you click on the join hackathon. Then come to the team section, and here only you can just see that here you can see all these teams have invited me. Okay, so all these teams have invited me to join. So here if you want to just add any team member, like you can see just here, if I'm adding this person, so you can just share the username and click on continue and just send the invitation to them. Once they are receiving the invitation, they'll come to the team section, and like this they have to accept or ignore and then save changes. So like this you can just see all these things over here, and this is the basic thing which I wanted to share regarding team up. Now can I submit even though my code is not working? So yes, you can submit it without the not working code also. It will be evaluated, only the points will be less. Now here, do I need to submit up write up and video in English? Yes, the most important thing, video should be in English, not in any regional languages. So make sure to make a demo video in English only, and you have to just publish it just like you have to upload on YouTube. Make sure to add the images whatever you have built, and just explain with images and your voice also. You can add your faces also, there is no issue. So now here you need to just understand all these things. So these are the judges, they will be judging your project, and all things are covered in this video. So this was the quick FAQ. Thank you guys, have a great day ahead. If you have any query, do let me in the comment section. Thank you. Do hype the video and subscribe the channel.